Hi all, I'm Dan Smigrod, founder of the We Get Around Network Forum. Today is Thursday, November 2nd, 2023, and you're watching WGAN-TV live at 5. We have an awesome show for you today. Intro to Matterport Workshop, post-production for first-time Matterport Pro 2 and Pro 3 users. Our subject matter expert is Tom Sparks. Tom is the founder and CEO of Scan Your Space, a division of Sparks Media Group. Tom, thank you for being back on the show and to share your Matterport Workshop workflow expertise with us.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me, and hopefully you got your check this week for the great words.
Received. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
So before we jump into this deep dive demo, tell us about Scan Your Space and Sparks Media Group.
Sure. So I started Sparks Media Group as a residential real estate media provider around 2018. And we've been really successful with that. We have several photographers working for us, and we're covering a whole lot of states, and we're still expanding outward. And shortly after that, I saw a need for the commercial media, and that's everything from business parks to shopping centers to hospitality, restaurants, et cetera, et cetera. And so I started Scan Your Space, which caters just to that.
And your coverage area?
We're covering California. We're covering parts of Nevada. We're covering parts of New Mexico, Arizona, and Idaho. And
in addition to photo, video, floor plans, aerial, what type of 3D or 360 tours are you offering?
We primarily offer Matterport and iGuide, and it's about 50-50 on each of those. We offer other services, virtual staging, virtual decluttering, pretty much anything you can need to market a property or a business.
Cool. So how about sharing your screen and take us into